Hi everyone, it's me again, Athena from Perlemon Accountants, and today we're gonna do the common journal entries, the liabilities, and equity transactions. Before we begin, if you need any accounting support, feel free to head over to perlemonaccountants.com and we'll get in touch with you. Let's begin. So on a previous video, we deep dive onto the common liabilities accounts. And now, let us do journal entries that are common to these accounts. So the normal balance for liabilities are credit, which means that in order to increase current liabilities and non-current liabilities, you're gonna credit them. And if you want to decrease them, you're gonna debit them. So with their normal balance being credit, they are usually recorded, credited. They're credited when they're recognized. So for example, the common journal entries to trade and other payables, you credit accounts payable, and for example, you bought, let's say, an asset. You bought an equipment and you're gonna pay it in the future. You're gonna debit equipment for the amount of the equipment. This is also true for salaries payable and utilities payable. You're gonna record an expense, so you're gonna debit salaries expense, and you're gonna credit salaries payable. And for unearned revenue or income, this is a liability because you already receive cash, and you have a liability because you still have services to render or goods to deliver. Normal balance is credit account. This is also the same for non-current liabilities. The only difference is that non-current liabilities are long-term. So for example, you bought a building under loans payable. There. Now let's move on to equity. Capital, they are also the normal balance under credit. And for example, the owners invested cash, you're gonna debit cash, and you're gonna credit owner capital. Owner drawings, the normal balance of drawings is debit. So you're gonna debit owner drawing, gonna credit cash. This is also the truth and same for shares. Debit cash usually, or whatever the form of payment you receive for the shares, and you're gonna credit ordinary shares. So those are the usual journal entry accounts for equity. Once again, if you need any accounting support, feel free to head over to perlemonaccountants.com and we'll get in touch with you. Thanks for watching.